All right, I'm so excited. We're using all Sheglam products now, so let's get to it. Okay, first, we're gonna contour with this Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour in the color Soft Tan. Starts right here, usually. I'm gonna try not to use too much on the first try since this is my first time trying it. Let's do a bit around the forehead here as well. A little on the side of the nose. And why not a little under the chin as well. I have a bit of a double chin starting, so I need to fix that. All right, let's blend. Ooh. Oh, nice. I like that. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. For this part. Ooh, okay, okay. Very good. Looking perfect. Okay, next we are using the Color Bloom Day Glow Liquid Blush in the color Love Cake. Like, how cute is that name? So, ooh. Ah! Dab it. Quick, 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 quick. Ooh. I am really impressed with this whole collection so far already. Next, we are using the Glow Bloom Liquid Highlighter in Vanilla Frost. Put a little on my nose, my Cupid's bow, under my eyebrows. Beautiful. I think I need a little more highlighter. I don't think that's bright enough. Let's move on to brows. I'm going to use my eyebrow gel by Benefit. This is just a little sample that I got from Sephora for free. All right, next we are using this eyeshadow stick by Sheglam, and it's their Insta Eyes Dual Tone Shadow Stick, and the color is called Rose, or Rosé, I'm not sure. Shadow stick that contains two different shadow colors. We'll start in the middle of the eye and we'll work our way in. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's really cool. I like this. I could definitely use this for traveling. This is one of those great things for traveling when you're on the go and you don't have a bunch of messy powdery shadows and brushes to carry with you, because that can be too much. And since I don't want to wear too much today, I'm just going to go straight for my mascara and skip the eyeliner, and I'm going to use Essence Double Trouble mascara. Almost dropped it. I'm such a klutz. I wasn't going to use eyeliner, but I think I'm going to apply a white eyeliner on my waterline just to make my eyes appear more open and awake. The Annabelle eyeliner pencil in the color 116 White. Definitely feel like I'm much more awake looking now. Alright, next Sheglam product is the Sheglam So Lippy Lip Liner. Now we're using a Sheglam lipstick. This color is called Magical Delight. In the picture. what's really cool about this, I don't know if you can see, there's actually a bit of glitter or shimmer in this lip color. Yeah, there it is, that little shimmer right there. It's barely there. Okay, so here's my overall review on the Sheglam products. I feel that the lip color was a lot more pink in the picture. Same with the lip liner that goes with it. They match, but I feel in the picture on the website they were a lot more pinker and they appear more orange in real life. So that's a little bit of a disappointment for me because I was hoping for a more paler bubblegum pink, but this is more of a corally orange. It's not a bad color though. It's great for summertime because coral is a very nice color for lips and cheeks for the summer, and I do like that. I just wish they were a little more true to their colors, to the way they advertise. And the highlighter, love. The blush, love. Although I feel like I really have to put it on, but I think because I was trying it out, I was worried it would be a little too pigmented, so I was trying to be careful. But I know that I don't have to now, so I can put on as much as I feel I need, and it's going to give me that bright color. So the blush I love. Contour I absolutely love. Again, I might have to go in a little with a little heavier hand to blend it to my desired, but I think if you're someone who doesn't want a whole lot on and you want just a light pigment, that's good too. So it's good if you want a little, it's good if you want a lot. So definitely love the contour as well, so I give those a big thumbs up. The eyeshadow stick, I give a big thumbs up as well. I found that actually when I blended it with my finger, it almost disappeared, so I don't actually need to blend it. I slide on, done. So big thumbs up for that one. Love that. I love how quick and easy it is to do that eyeshadow look in like literally 2 seconds it takes to do both of your eyes. So that's a big thumbs up as well. And yeah, I definitely will keep buying more products from Sheglam. This line is amazing. The prices for what the products are amazing too. Love them both. And yeah, be sure to follow me on TikTok for more videos just like this, and leave me a comment below on what you would like to see next.